I've been providing you strategies of effectively using AI assist in MAXQDA. The last strategy that I want to talk about is developing themes from the data, right? Using AI assist. And this one is very straightforward, right? Imagine that you have gone through the data, you have identified information that are significant and developed codes, right? But you are having difficulty categorizing the codes to develop themes. AI assist could help. So what are you going to do? So what you can do is that you first select, we call it activate. So you click here and click on document to activate all the files. And then you also activate the codes that you are interested in. In this case, I'm interested in all the codes under the first research question, right? Now, what you have to do is you see this icon, you're going to chat with the retrieve segment. So you click on that here. A window will pop up and then you start chatting. So you see that 14 segment has been selected, right? And this means that all the plays that we have activated have been selected. So we activated the transcript and also we activated the the codes, right? Under the research question. So you can say that, can you review all the codes under the burnout causes RK1 and categorize them to help develop themes addressing the following research question. It's always important for you to state the research question for the system to know the context because just a label for the research question like RK1 doesn't give the system a lot of information that it has to work with. Sometimes you can also provide a little background of your study so that the system will know what the study is about. So you can say this is the purpose of the study. The more you provide a good context, the richer the output. So I'm going to bring the research, the purpose of the study, and then I'm going to click on enter. So within some few seconds, you'll be able to get all the themes addressing the research question and also the codes under them. So as you can see here, the system was able to go through, and then I have about 4 themes, and then the system has grouped the codes under them, right? So with this information, you can review and make sure that everything is right. Are the themes addressing the research question that you have? Are the codes related to the themes? If you are satisfied, you can come here, right? You see here, you can first copy the theme. So I'm going to copy that. And then I go to right click here on my research question, click on new code, and then paste that information here. You can give a description if you want to. Click on OK. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop all the codes that are related to the first theme. So you see how you can copy the theme, and when you copy the theme, you right click on the research question, go to new code, put the theme there, and then you can drag and drop the codes under the respective themes. The AI will help you to get themes. You review the theme, making sure everything is right. You create containers for the theme and drag and drop codes under them. So I hope this one is helpful. And if you have any question, you can put in the comment section and I'll be happy to address them for you. Thank you so much for your time.